This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Shauna Calvert. 6127 Colmar Place, Sandpiper Floorplan, 3 beds, 2 baths, office, 2,101 square feet, oversized lot. Located in the sought-after community of Waterset, 6127 Colmar Place features the popular Sandpiper Floorplan by WestBay Homes. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with an office offers 2,101 square feet of living space on an oversized lot with no rear neighbors and peaceful, park-like views. The exterior includes a fenced-in yard and a screened, covered lanai perfect for morning coffee or relaxing evenings. The lanai is also plumbed for an outdoor kitchen and has roller shades already in place. Inside, the home welcomes you with glass-trimmed front doors leading to a private office with flexibility for work or hobbies or an additional bedroom. The foyer features double arches, high ceilings, and a stylish light fixture, opening to an expansive living area with crown molding, plantation shutters, custom feature walls, and surround sound. The gourmet kitchen is beautifully appointed with quartz countertops, glass backsplash, newer stainless appliances, a 5-burner gas stove, Timberlake espresso cabinets with crown molding, under-cabinet lighting, and a large island with pendant lighting. The kitchen overlooks a semi-formal dining area and spacious great room with whole-wall glass sliders that bring in natural light and open to the backyard. The split bedroom layout offers privacy, with 2 secondary bedrooms and a full bath featuring granite counters and a tub/shower combo at the front of the home. The owner's retreat is tucked away in the back and features 2 large walk-in closet and a spacious ensuite bath with dual granite vanities, a walk-in shower with decorative tile, wood-framed mirrors, and a private water closet. Additional upgrades include a spacious laundry room, washer and dryer convey, gutters, water softener, and ceiling fans throughout. Homeowners enjoy access to Waterset's incredible amenities, including 4 pools, 2 water slides, 2 clubhouses with gym, splash pad, dog parks, fitness centers, tennis and pickleball courts, basketball courts, walking trails,